So we rebuilt this vacuum pump here. Just getting her back on. We'll see what happens. Let's get her licked, boys. Keep your stick on the ice. Holy fuck. So we're just drilling out some holes up to 1 inch here. We're at 13/16 and we just want to have enough play for when the body does go on. Should be any day now. Once this ground dries up, we'll get the fucking Bobcat back here and we'll get her licked. Okay, so we got the vacuum pump back in. She's all rebuilt. I don't believe we're gonna need this vacuum anymore because we're gonna be running Hydro Boost, so we got her capped off. And coming down here, we also got our double shear TMR Customs high steer crossover steering. So this will be coming up here once we get a drop Pitman arm or whatever we choose to do. I already do have this one that we made. It's like an extended one. So we're probably gonna put that on there. We're just trying to get this off. But she's looking nice, boys. The cab's ready to go on. She's coming together, boys. We'll get her licked, don't worry. We'll get her licked. Alrighty, boys, so here we are, we're back. We're getting the first welding job going on the truck. Fucking rights.
Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, working on Brett's plan.
So if you guys watch my earlier episodes, you remember this fucking lost soul. Look at the amount of crap. Okay, so carrying on here, we got the linkage all hooked up. Working good. Rachel. Frickin' rates, I think we're in the right spot here, boys. Fucking rates, boys. We're off-roading in the fucking, in the farm field. She just keeps earning her keep. Anyone need a shifter? It's for sale, not on sale. $1,000,000. Alright, so we got the rad support on here. Wow. It's gonna be tall, boys. Alrighty, so we got the rad support on. Radiator's in. We're just hooking up all the boost pipes now. We just had we noticed that snapped off, so we're just gonna cut that band while we can here and replace it. You really get an idea how tall this fucking thing's gonna be. Wow. What do we have here?